Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix Amazon app error. So as you can see in my screen, sorry something went wrong. So same error I also facing. So finally I have got the easy and simple solutions to fix this error. So let's get started. So when you are facing this type of error guys, so 99% reason behind this error, so if the internet connection is not good, not coming right, so at that time you can face this type of error 100%. So first you need to check your internet connection. So in case your internet connection is working fine, so afterwards you are facing this type of error guys, now you can follow these easy and simple fixes. So close your Amazon app. After closing, open it once again. So now let's check your problem was solved or not. In case still your problem was not solved, so now you need to log out your Amazon app one time. So to log out guys, in the bottom right side corner you can get three lines, just tap on it. After this guys, scroll down and open the settings. In the settings you can get the option to sign out. Just sign out your Amazon account and re-login once again. So you can also try this method. So after doing this, hopefully this time it will fix your problem. Still your problem was not solved. Now what you need to do, go to your phone settings like this, go to apps and notification. From here you need to find out Amazon, open it and go to the storage, clear the caches and clear the storage of this app. So remember one thing guys, after clearing the app data, it will reset your all Amazon app settings. So do it on your own risk. So just clear the app data. After doing this guys, now you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, now hopefully this time it will fix your problem. So in case still you are facing same type of problem, so last and final method I am going to show you. Go to Google Play Store and here you need to search the Amazon app and update the app. If the app update was available, just you need to update the app. So this is the final solution. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix that error. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.